Fiji's festivals are a vibrant tapestry of indigenous culture, with traditional dance, music, and kava ceremonies. Six Senses. Fiji and Turtle Island immerse visitors in authentic Fijian celebrations, while the ancient lovo cooking method offers a culinary adventure integral to the festival experience. Six Senses. Beach feasts and kava ceremonies. At Six Senses Fiji, beach gatherings showcase the essence of Fijian culture. Indulge in a traditional feast with fresh fish cooked in a lovo and partake in kava ceremonies, a communal beverage steeped in tradition. Turtle Weekly. Kava rituals and dance parties. Turtle Island's weekly kava rituals, served from a hand-carved tanoa, symbolize social unity. Dance parties and karaoke nights reflect the communal life, while private beach getaways and communal dining foster a sense of community. Polyfest. Showcasing Polynesian performing arts. Polyfest ignites friendly rivalry among students competing in traditional music, dance, and speech performances. It's a celebration of Polynesian heritage, fostering cultural understanding and unity. Lovo. The ancient Fijian cooking method. The lovo feast is a social event that brings people together. Meats, fish, and vegetables are slow-cooked over hot stones, resulting in a tender, flavorful meal that's a highlight of Fijian celebrations. Island cuisine, a daily adventure in taste. Turtle Island's menus change daily, featuring a variety of options including the revered lovo feast. Communal dining is a cultural journey where stories are shared and friendships formed. Dining experiences, from beach picnics to floating pontoons. Fiji offers dining experiences from casual beach picnics to elegant floating pontoon dinners. Communal dining creates a warm atmosphere, while private dining adds a touch of magic. Island adventures, exploring Fiji's natural beauty. Water activities, snorkeling, diving, and more. Fiji's waters are perfect for snorkeling and diving, revealing vibrant coral reefs and marine life. Turtle Island's private beach bookings offer a secluded paradise for water sports enthusiasts. Land excursions, horseback riding and hiking. Fiji's landscapes are ideal for horseback riding and hiking, offering a connection with nature and cultural heritage. Cultural trips to villages showcase traditional crafts and Fijian hospitality. Fiji's Turtle, a celebrity honeymoon haven. Exclusive retreats, privacy and romance. Turtle Island is a private retreat for couples, with secluded bures and private beaches. The absence of Wi-Fi and the commitment to privacy ensure an intimate experience. In conclusion, Fiji's festivals and traditions offer a rich cultural tapestry for visitors to explore. From the rhythmic dances to the culinary delights of lovo cooking, each experience is a celebration of Fijian heritage. Whether you're seeking adventure or relaxation, Fiji's natural beauty and warm hospitality create unforgettable memories. Book with a Fiji specialist at Far and Away Adventures.